Hello everyone, today I will guide you on how to use the automatic comment feature on posts and groups using the MKT Care software. This software helps you manage unlimited Facebook accounts for making comments. First, go to the Viral Marketing section and select the Comment on Groups feature. Then choose the content you want to comment within various groups. Here, I have already prepared the content beforehand. I'll select the first content to start commenting right away. You can refer to the settings I've configured in the software. Next, select the list of group UIDs that you have previously extracted using the MKT UID software. Copy and paste the list of UIDs, then save it. If your comment includes images, check the Include Image box. After that, select the account category, load the accounts, and click the Start button. You can then observe as the software automatically enters the groups you specified to post comments. Finally, the software will generate a link where you can review your comments on Facebook.